Hey everybody, 10:57, 26 seconds, Monday, April 29th. This is Tomb of Dracula 1, Mini 1. I'm sorry for the delay. My computer froze. I shut it down. When I tried to reboot it, the web browser wasn't opening up. So it's having me use a different browser, and I just wanted to make sure everything was going to work before I found out it didn't work in the middle of one of these. So I ran a test video just to make sure that the screen recorder was actually working and I was able to upload everything. So anyway, those are the 16 filled spots. Whoever comes in first place gets the first 5 open spots in the main. Whoever comes in second will get the next 2 open spots in the main. Whoever comes in third will get the next single spot filled in order. So let's get this going. Numbers lucky 7. Best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here comes the final one, 7. Barney Stars comes in first. John Garner comes in second. Dan Major comes in third. So Barney gets the first 5. John gets the next 2. Dan Major gets the next single. 10:58, 38.